Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Indonesia. For the first, let me begin by introducing myself to you. My name is Destiny Afifah and you can call me Destin. I'm the second year student of Medical Laboratory Technology of Poltekkes Kemenkes Yogyakarta. Become a medical laboratory technologist or well known as health analyst is my dream because there is so much knowledge that I can get in, not only about scientific knowledge but also about communication skills. Besides it, a health analyst is a key to some diagnosis of the disease. Although there are a few people that know it, but a health analyst always willing to support the doctor's diagnosis to give the best treatment for the patients. So, being careful, polite, and have critical thinking are needed for this profession. To improve my communication skills, I joined an organization in the college that is Himpunan Mahasiswa Jurusan Analis Kesehatan as coordinator of the social department. Through this organization, I also become a coordinator of Kunjungan Ilmiah 2020, become speaker of Diabetes Mellitus Socialization in Desa Binaan 2019, also the chairman of the Bakti Sosial, and do free medical check-up routinely in public. I always enjoy all the activities about dedication to the public. When I do free medical check-up, I found a hike of blood sugar levels, especially in 50 up to 60 years old, but they didn't realize it. So this reason that makes me put more attention about diabetes mellitus in Indonesia. Now, I will present my idea of research with the title is Okra-Tibek or Abelmoschus esculentus in reducing blood sugar levels in diabetes mellitus. The aim of this study is to know how can okra vegetable get processed into Tibek in reducing blood sugar levels in diabetes mellitus. The subject of this study are mice who were given an experimental diabetic condition with addition of glucose solution. After given okra-Tibek, the glucose level is measured with glucometer stick method. Diabetes mellitus is a chronic disease that causes because decreasing of insulin production from the pancreas, or it can causes because the resulting of insulin production is not effective to decreasing blood sugar levels. This condition make an increasing of the blood sugar levels, so that it can damage the other body system. The data of diabetes mellitus in Indonesia you can see right here.
Organisasi Kesehatan Dunia WHO mencatat, Indonesia menduduki tempat keempat terbesar dengan penderita diabetes setelah India, Tiongkok, dan Amerika Serikat. Bahkan WHO memprediksi pada 2030 nanti akan ada 21 juta jiwa penduduk Indonesia yang hidup dengan diabetes.
According to the data, we can say that diabetes mellitus included in serious problem in Indonesia. Okra or Abelmoschus esculentus in Indonesia, more commonly as bendi, is a vegetable that have inner structure similar to eggplant and have skin structure similar to oyong or gambas. Selection of okra as a diabetes mellitus drug because the content of the okra have proven to reduce blood sugar levels. Okra has chemical contents including 67.5% alpha cellulose, 15.4% hemicellulose, 7.1% lignin, 3.4% pectin component, 3.9% fat component, and 2.7% water extract. Okra also contains secondary metabolites including flavonoid, phenolic, and terpenoid. Flavonoids on okra can act as anti-diabetic because flavonoid can act as compounds that can neutralize free radical, so that it can prevent damage to beta cells of the pancreas that produce insulin. Flavonoid can also increase insulin levels by increasing insulin receptor sensitivity. In its processing as a food ingredient, okra will produce a lot of mucus that makes it difficult to cook. This causes the okra become less attractive and have low price. So, in my research, I propose a model of processing vegetable of okra, which is an okra-Tibek. My reason to make it into Tibek is to make okra vegetable are easier to consume, long-lasting, and more attractive to provide higher value. According to some research, okra vegetable proved to be blood sugar levels reducer with the percentage of decreasing is 32.43%. Okay, that's enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.